Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can fix if your Forza version 6 is not launching. So there's this solution which you can use, which is like working pretty good for a lot of people. All you need to do, just hit right click on Windows icon, go to settings. Doesn't matter if you're using Windows 11 or 10, you can still use this solution. So all you need to do here, select the apps. Right here you need to type in the search bar Forza. Okay, here it is. Simply select that, select this one, advanced options, and you'll able to see the option reset. So you just need to simply click on repair, and once it is done you can simply restart your PC and start launching the game, and it should be fixed now. If your problem still persists, you can use the option reset. Simply click on reset, and that way your game will be resetted, like including the apps data. Once you do this, again restart the PC and your problem should be fixed now. So this is the solution which you can use. This works pretty good for Forza Horizon 5 as well as Forza Horizon 6. Hope this video helped you out. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.